Hello there, Mr. Boom here. Welcome to Forex Buno Hub, and in this video we're gonna analyze the market from Monday to Friday. That means next Monday to Friday, and this is the technical analysis from Mr. Boom. And as per you can see there is a long bullish movement from the market. That means market is moving bullish from the past few weeks. And if we get back into weekly time frame, that means as per our trading style, we need to analyze the market firstly weekly, then we will come back daily, and then we will find our proper entry on a smaller time frame. Okay, as per you can see there, market just trying to make a range from that area, and again there is a trade where running in the world or around the world. That's why market is very unstable, and US dollar just losing its strength, and gold just flying up, as you can see there. And last 2 week market moves around 4,000 pips, which is huge for the gold market. Okay, and currently market is running all-time high. That means all-time high in gold market history. Okay, so if we want to analyze the market, that means weekly market, as you can see there, market was on that area before Trump started trade war with China. That means currently 245% tax or tariffs on US market for Chinese products. So we have to keep our concern on China and US relationship. And you may know that I already posted on Telegram. Donald Trump agreed to start a conversation with China, so maybe market is going to stable. Actually it's depend on what is their conversation or what commitment they make. Okay, so as per the weekly time frame, market is strong bullish. And one more thing here, if there is some result come with China and US discussion, then market may be going down for next few weeks, because if they come with if there is some output or there is some negotiation with China and US, we will get a stable market from the gold. Okay, and if the discussion comes publicly, I will make another video. That means if the discussion come before Monday or Tuesday, I will post another brief video about technical and fundamental analysis. Or if the discussion doesn't come publicly, then we have to wait, and most likely market will be open with a price gap. That means a huge price gap, maybe like that area to that area price gap. Okay, so we have to keep our concern when the market opens. So let's make the time frame daily, and let's start our regular analyzing. That means our technical analysis. Okay, and as per the daily time frame, as you can see there, market just trying to move our range, and market just make a bullish breakout from that particular area. And if we want to draw another downtrend over here, and as you can see there, our downtrend is here. Okay, for daily time frame, and for daily time frame, let me select brush tool, and as you can see there, market just trying to start ranging from that area to that proper particular area, and there is a fake breakout, then again go down, and again it just make a breakout from that area. Okay, in that case, Trump just announced 100% more tax on China. That means previous 145%, and then he just added 100%, and market just fly boom. Okay, and for now, what we have to do, or what is our entry? You may ask me, Mr. Boom, where is our entry? Okay, and as you can see there, there is a support area based on the trend line, and based on the support and our resistance area. Okay, this is our support area. Okay, and if we take last price area, that means the last value of the market, that means last weeks, and if we want to draw a Fibonacci level, let me draw it from from lower range to higher range, and as per you can see there, our 0.618 range is around, let me mark it, 3110. okay, that means market can be come back around 3110 area. Okay, and our support area is also near that area, that means below that area. And if I delete the support area, and if I want to delete that also, and as you can see there, our triangle and our trend line and the Fibonacci support area is in same zone. So let's make another support area in that area. Okay, we also attach previous trend lines high area, and as you can see there, that can be our particular buy area. And you may ask me, Mr. Boom, what is our targeted area? Okay, our target area could be around all-time high zone, and our SL could be around that area. Okay, that area. So you may ask me, Mr. Boom, TP and SL is bigger, so this is for them who want to take long entry, that means long-term entry. You may take a screenshot from there, and as per said previously, market can be start with big value gap or big price gap. That means market can be start from that area, that means direct drop from that area to that area, and it may go down. Then we can take our entry, and we will also update on market days. That means when market opens, we will update the particular price or the exact zone. And this entry only for the big investor, that means who have big equity, and let's make it for the small investor or small time frame trader. So for that, we need to start from 4-hour time frame. So if we want to make analysis from 4-hour time frame, as per you can see there, let me make it little bit zoom in, and if we want to draw our trend line from that area to that area. Okay, for 4-hour time frame, our support area is around this particular zone. Okay, if market break this trend line area, then we have to wait that particular area, then we can take buy entry from there, and our SL should be below this support line. Okay, and if you want more shorter entry or more shorter analysis, like 30-minute time frame, and as you can see there, market just trying to range a flag over the area. Let me make it simple and easier. Okay, if I want to draw that, as you can see there, this is the pattern for the flag. Okay, maybe this one can be our flag. Okay, maybe this one, and for now market can be moved from there, and our entries should be here, and we can take a buy entry for that zone. Okay, and our entry zone will be around that area. Okay, let me delete all of them, and if we want to see the entry zone, and also it's also with our 4-hour trend line zone. Okay, so we can take entry on 30-minute time frame around that area, and before that we have to wait till market open, because market will open with a price gap. That means there is 99% possibility to open with a bearish price gap. So when market comes that area after the price gap, then we can take buy entry. So I will update, or I will keep in touch on next few days. So you may join our public Telegram channel, t.me/fxbillionahab. That's for now. Mr. Boom signing out. Happy trading. Have a nice day.